Hi everyone, so it's finally time. I'm going to be using this mini baking set, and I'm going to try making the vanilla shortbread cookies. And so flour, I pre-measured everything, sugar and more to sprinkle on top, butter that I actually need to melt. This is technically not butter, it's margarine. So I need to put the butter into the little bowl. There we go. And add the sugar. And use the little spoon here. Get it. Come on. There it is. And I'm supposed to mix this until, I think they said until the sugar was dissolved. Okay, and now I just splash it on myself. Now to add the flour, one little scoop at a time. I'm using the measuring scoop. This is what I measured the flour and everything with. I'm kind of surprised how easy this little spoon cleans the sides of this bowl. And at this point, I'm wondering if this is actually going to form a dough. And now I'm just going to dump the flour in. It is thickening every time, at least. It feels weird to use regular flour. I'm so used to doing low carb. This flour looks weird to me now. Okay, and that looks like applesauce. Now I need this little pie pan. And again, I am surprised how well this little spoon scrapes. And okay. In a little bowl of soapy water, I'm going to stick these in after I slam this on the counter. Smooth it out. And throw these in the... Now to throw these in the water. And I almost forgot to sprinkle the sugar on top. I'm not sure how much of this I'm supposed to do. I also think it would have been better if it had been coarse sugar. I would have actually been able to see it. Okay, well, looks like I'm sprinkling salt on it, doesn't it? Nope, add sugar. Okay, that's enough. Now, I misunderstood the directions. It said to put it on a baking sheet. Turns out it's supposed to be a regular size baking sheet. So, we use this little toaster oven, set to 300 degrees. I have an oven mitt on because this thing is hot. And it's supposed to bake for 20 minutes. Now it's baked, and I wish this kit had come with a little cooling tray, so I'll put it on the smallest one. Let that cool. Now that's cool. It says to use the knife and slice it. Got a plate. Got the little knife. And okay. Slicing. Nope. Should have done this when it was hard. It said to wait, or when it was hard. When it was hot or warm. It said to let it cool. You ever tried to slice a firm, crispy cookie? It don't work. Okay, I got it out of the pan. Let's see if I can do it on this plate. Oh, no, that ain't bad. Yep. See, it doesn't slice cleanly. If I make these again, I need to slice them when they're still warm. Maybe if I, yeah. Oh, that one just flew on the floor. Well, let's see. Let me try. Thanks for watching.